Hello Rahul, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I am fine.
That's great to hear.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do. I try to do at least some running and stretching in a regular basis. If possible, I spend a little more time on some freehand exercises.
How important do you think exercising is for you?
I think it's very important. It doesn't only keep me fit, but also help me deal with the stress caused by work pressure. It helps me relax greatly after a stressful day at work.
When do you usually exercise?
I usually exercise in the evening. In general, take a break after returning from the work and go out for a running or run on the treadmill for a while if the weather's not good. I then do some stretching and freehand exercise, and afterwards, take a hot bath or shower, which really helps me relax.
Do you do it alone or with a partner?
Well, I do it all by myself. I'm kind of a private person, and therefore I like doing exercise alone because it gives me some privacy.
Do you think children should play sports regularly?
Yes, I think it's very important for children to play sports regularly because physical activities are really important in this age. It promotes their physical growth as well as cognitive abilities. They get a momentary relief from their academic schedule to do something refreshing.
What was the favorite sport when you were young?
Well, when I was younger, my favorite sport was badminton. I used to play badminton in my school and represented my school at city level. I also played badminton casually in my neighborhood with my friends in my free time.
Do you like extreme sports?
Yes, I like some extreme sports such as white river rafting, car racing, and bungee jumping. I developed a liking for these sports in my teenage years as I used to watch them over television.
What kind of exercises are popular in your country?
Well, in my country, I think all sorts of activities are prevalent. Still, I think running is the most popular exercise among people in my country.
How often do you take a rest?
I like to rest after every 2 to 3 hours. I have a lot of works during the day, but in between works, whenever I get time, I like to take a break. I feel my brain is exhausted, and after taking some rest, I feel relaxed and rejuvenated.
What do you usually do when you are resting?
I usually listen to music while I am resting. There is a beautiful garden in my office with a fountain in the middle and flowers all around. I like to sit on a bench there and listen to music whenever I get a break.
Do you take a nap when you are resting?
Yes, when I'm relaxing, I do sometimes take naps. I find that taking naps is a great way to recharge my body and mind.
Thanks for your time. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
You are most welcome. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.